Seryoso ba to? It's going down. I need to carry you.
Yeah.
You carry her?
Yes. Okay.
Good morning! Today, nandito kami sa Hotel H2O. Pero hindi kami mag-staycation dito. Yeah, but this hotel is not where we're going to have our staycation. We're here for a birthday party. Pero dahil bukas meron din kaming social sa MOA, we decided to stay at a hotel. We're going to stay at the Heritage Hotel Manila. Punta muna kami ng birthday party.
They upgraded us, but
Masarap talaga mag-swim. Malinis yung pool.
thank you, Mom.
So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa parking. Medyo siya sa pinakamasikip na parking na nakita ko. Pero maraming slots. Masikip lang yung mga guhit. 4:45. Ito yung pinaka late na check-in namin. Ito rin siguro yung pinakapagod kami before check-in. So, feeling ko masusulit namin yung pahinga. Whew! Ito rin yung pinaka biglaan naming hotel. We booked 4 days before. 4 days before. We'll see kung sulit yung kalokohan namin. Pawisan pa sa pawisan. Hindi pa kasi ako nagme-makeup.
They upgraded us, but we don't know. Let's see.
So, in-upgrade nila kami sa club room. Pero mixed emotions. In-upgrade nila kami kasi yung king size bed namin. Yung binook namin na room na king size bed, hindi available. Deluxe pa man din yung binook namin kasi gusto ko ng king size bed. $8 for 8? Anong klaseng numbering to? So, in-upgrade lang nila kami kasi smoking na lang yung natirang king size dun sa deluxe room. Kaya nga hindi superior yung binook ko. Kasi gusto ko ng king size bed, diba? Diba may ligaw sa king size bed? So, in-upgrade na lang kami sa club room na hindi non-smoking. Pero, dalawang double bed. Wala naman lounge access daw. So, para sa yung club room, sabi nila, mas malaki daw. How is this bigger? There. Nasanay ba ako sa Sofitel? Na way bigger. nung anak ko, kaya siya bad trip. Kasi sinasuggest ko, mag-swimming pool na lang tayo. But let's check if it's a nice swimming pool and if the weather is nice. What?
My patch. My patch. But my toes will be wet. My shoes. My big shoes. I give a good hug. With the moss, Mom. So wait for this. Baby, over here.
Seryoso ba to? It's going down. I need to carry you.
Yeah.
You carry her?
Yes.
It's on the second floor.
Seven to nine.
Another stairs?
Yes.
See, that's
It's on the ground floor. Pwede ka siguro sa lobby naman.
Hindi. Yun yung nakalagay na floor eh. Nakita mo naman yung sign, di ba? It's empty. Does it mean it's that cold? This would be so much fun in the summer when there is more sun and less rain. It's a good 1 hour swim. So, pangit lang siya tingnan sa simula. Pero masarap talaga mag-swim. Malinis yung pool. And maganda rin yung lights pag nasa pool ka na. So, time to take a bath in her request, the bathtub.
We will play after we wash.
I know. Nasi goreng. Kayo, ano order nyo?
Do we have soup?
They have soup. There's fishball noodle soup. There's fish bihon soup.
Magkano yan?
Fish bihon, 370.
in the morning, please.
Okay na yan? So, fish bihon soup and nasi goreng. All good? Okay.
Chichara. Wow. Baka may shrimp.
Ayun for the day. Ito yung latest breakfast natin ever. 1 hour lang tayo magbubuffet.
2 minutes na niya.
Tanya, let's go, let's go.
2 minutes.
Grabe, tagpuwet kasi kami kagabi. Anong oras siya nagaya ng kain? 11:30 nagaya kumain yung bata. Eh, ang layo pumunta ng 7-Eleven dito. My goodness. Tapos wala nang bukas sa baba. Ay, nawa. Tara, buffet. Kahit 1 hour. Let's go.
Ano?
Baby, do you want pancakes?
We want the noodles and rice.
Oh, noodles and rice. Okay, come. I'll get
Okay, let's look. Let's look for the gummy bears. Gummy bears. Where are you? Are you here, gummy bears? No, that's not a gummy bear. Sardines, sausage, and menudillo. But where's the gummy bear? Sambal. What's this? Oh, that's not chicken curry. Peanuts, dilis,
I see
lemak rice.
I like it.
What did you see? Oh, you like eat rice? Vegetable. They have noodles.
My favorite. Noodles.
You also have baked beans. Oh, you can ask your eggs to be cooked fresh. Omelets. You want to make some eggs with cheese? That looks like parmesan. They also have oatmeal. Look. That papaya is moving. Fruits. There's something here. What's this? They have siopaw. Manto. They also have siomai. And they have banana. Let's go have a seat. We only have 1 hour left to eat. And most of the food are gone.
Don't swimming. I like swimming.
What the? Checkout time. Kahit binigyan nila kami na hanggang 2 o'clock. We decided na hindi sigarin just in case singilin nila kami. So then, nag-check out na yung wife ko. Overall, for 3,680, 3,700. I think sulit naman tong Heritage Hotel Manila. Staff-wise, mabait yung housekeeping. Mabait naman sila sa restaurant. Medyo masungit lang yung sa swimming pool na lifeguard. Pinipilit niyang isang towel lang ang bigay sa amin every single time. I mean, nung gabi tsaka nung umaga. Trinay niya isa lang ibigay. Tatlo kami magsiswimming, obvious naman. Naninita pa ng attire, kahit tama yung attire namin. Tapos, thumbs up kay Miguel Montano. Check out staff, sabi ng asawa ko. So, sa front desk, okay naman kami sa front desk. Hindi ko sila sinisisi sa mga palpak nung nung website nila. Kung mali yung ginawa ng website, hindi kasalanan yun ng front desk. Although, hindi ko lang alam talaga. Duda pa rin na ito kasi sa upgrade to club room. Renovated yung pool, yung CR siguro hindi, pero yung pool sobrang ganda. Natuwa kami sa quality ng tiles. Natuwa kami dun sa masarap yung tubig, dala na nung gabi. Tapos, natuwa rin kami dun sa bathtub. For me, that's the biggest bathtub sa lahat na napagstayan namin. As in, kasha ako with space to spare, like 1/3 to half of a foot pa yung sobra sa pa ako, and I'm a very big person. Kasya kaming mag-asawa, kasya kaming, tapos tinay din namin mag-ama na nakakapaglaro yung anak ko habang nandun ako sa tub. So it's the biggest bathtub, it's a very nice pool, so if you're into those things or may anak kayo, which is usually fun to sa mga kids, so that's recommended. Although I think it's better kung pupunta kayo during the summer or tsempuhan nyo na maaraw na tagulan. Maganda pag maaraw na tagulan, wala masyadong tao and yet maaraw. So kahapon maulan, today maaraw. So thumbs up again for that. So hindi naman nila kami sinil dun sa late checkout namin kasi nga up to 2 yung binigay nila. So thumbs up for that. So yun lang, and see you sa aming next vacation.